Wait. Before you say, what the fuck is this? Just let me explain. I will never do anything on this channel that is not connected to the bikes one way or another. But I just want to show you my leaf blower die on me. And I was thinking first, of course, first reaction was, let's throw it away. But then, I was thinking, well, it stopped, not like there is no electricity, but like something is holding the rotor to, rotating. So I remember that I, repaired quite a few of starters on the motorcycles. So I took it away and find this guy not turning, blocked, seized. So for €1.60 I took these two. Hopefully they are the same. Yes, I will change both of these on the rotor, put everything back together, and let's see, did we learn something on motorcycles that we can implement on other things in life. Okay, now we remove both of the bearings. Let's put the new ones on. As always, we use professional tool like this. But it works. It's not stupid if it's worked. We have new bearing on it. Okay, motor is now spinning smooth as butter. Okay, everything is back on. Let's put this together, and I will put it on in front of the camera. Trust me, just remember that if this doesn't succeed, I will not publish the video. So I will put like this so my shame would be bigger. Ready? Oh, motherfucker.